Action. Hi guys, in today's video we're gonna go over this two-touch spinning back kick. Not to be confused with the two-touch spinning side kick. The spinning back kick is like the spinning side kick, but better. So let's get to it. Okay, so what is the difference? First I'm going to go over the normal spinning back kick and spinning side kick too. Alright, the spinning side kick, the way most martial artists do it, most kickboxers do it, is not as good, not as effective as amateur. It's just not professional. They spin and they bring their leg around. If I'm standing in front of this is not going to let me spin. So this forces me to throw the kick straight like a horse. Basically like a spinning horse back kick, they call it sometimes. So from here, I spin, I look, I kick, and I bring it back. Okay? Ooh. So, you guys just saw that. I hit it. Anyway, quick interruption of the video. You guys were just watching because you guys just saw me bang my leg real hard against that part. Go ahead, touch it. Against that part over there. Yeah, I told you guys it hurt, right? But I didn't think it'd be this bad. Look, this is the spot. Go ahead, get it closer. This is the spot. I think that's good, right? That's the spot that I caught it with right now. That's why I told you guys to do this at home. Start slow. Don't do it fast. I just wanted to show you guys what happens when you overspin, right? But it's a good way to make it a good habit. Once you know that wall is there and you get used to throwing it in this way, you guys are good. All right. So I hit it, right? I overspun. So you don't want to hit this part. You can lean if you want. Boom, straight. Boom, and straight. And come back, okay? So try this at home if you want, okay? This kick is kind of, anyone can do it because you don't need that much flexibility to pull it off, okay? That said, I'm gonna do the two-touch now, okay? The two-touch, you guys see this? No, you need to come close. Catch the circle. You need to catch the circle somehow. Come as far as you can to the side, but catch the circle still, please. Okay? So, with the two-touch spinning back kick, you're gonna bring your back leg like a side kick. I'm assuming you guys can already do a side kick before you attempt this, of course. You're gonna bring it here, right? You're gonna lean your body on the surface, whether that's a person or that's a target or whatever. From here, once you lean off, you're gonna jump off the back leg. Once you jump off the back leg, you kick. So basically, you're gonna switch legs, but it's gotta be at the same time. You push off and you take off with this leg. So here it goes. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. Back leg comes up, you touch, you kick. Okay, now the spinning side kick, I'm gonna switch legs. This is overspinning. If you attempt to overspin and the person gets close to you, like the other fighter, and you're overspinning, assuming he got close, this is the other fighter, he got this close, I didn't realize it, I already did the kick, I overspin, it's not going to be effective, guys. You're going to get caught slipping with a punch, with a kick, whatever, okay? So, that said, up close, it's going to suck. You're not going to really catch the person, assuming the person is here. You're going to be too close. When you do the spinning back kick instead of the spinning side kick, so now I'm going to do the spinning back kick, right? You go from here, you kick and you bring it back. If I'm close, if he gets close to me, or I get close to him, whatever, we end up in closer distance. If he's here, I'm still going to catch him. I'm still going to catch him, whether it's in the groin, leg, or upper body. Okay? Okay? Then you push off. So that's it. You get back to the two-touch. You go here. Boom, boom. I'm going to do it at full speed now. And power. Full speed and power. You can put it in front of you like I just did, or you can bring it all the way back behind you. I personally like this one better. Another way to do it, if you're standing like a normal fighter on the right side, if you're right-handed, you usually stand here. If you're using for fighting, then obviously the side you get with the front leg. So you come off from here. Or if you're in MMA, you're standing sideways here. So I'm gonna do both. I'm gonna multi stance. You're right here. You lift your leg, you turn it to the side without moving this leg yet. Lift your leg, turn it to the side. And then you throw the kick. So you lift your left leg, throw it to the side, push off and kick. Okay, for MMA, you're standing sideways. Same thing, you can use a little hop if you want, or lean forward if you want with it. Or karate, taekwondo, same thing. You're here, okay? So that's the way you do the two-touch back kick and the two-touch spinning back kick. That said, guys, this kick is good for everything. It's good for movies, for showing off, for the street, for anything. The back kick, you don't need that much flexibility for it. Anybody can do it. It's just a matter of practice. Get in front of that wall, spin, start slow first. If you go too fast and you overspin, you guys saw what happened. I did it. I'd be lying if I say it didn't hurt. That shit hurt a lot. Okay, so especially because I caught it at the edge. So you want to avoid doing it fast in the beginning. Just take it slow. Make sure you spin right. Don't overspin. Make sure you look first before you throw your kick. Don't kick blindsided. Make sure you see your target first. You want to spin all the way around. You want to see first that it's there. Then you throw your kick. Don't kick blindsided. Make sure you see your target first. You want to spin all the way around. You want to see first that it's there. Then you throw your kick. What else? Yeah, it's good for everything. The street, competition, and for show. So that's it. Until the next video, guys. Much love to you all. See you later.